3,
2,
1.
1.
Welcome to Genius Blooms.
Hey there, little buds. Today, we're going to have a snowy adventure. We're building a snowman, and you'll learn all about it. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we need to make a big snowball, roll the snow on the ground, and watch it grow. This is the snowman's body. It's the biggest part. Now, let's roll a small snowball. This one's the head. We gently place it on the big snowball. Now, our snowman has a head. Our snowman needs arms, right? Let's find 2 sticks. We should put them on the sides. Look, our snowman has arms now. Time for a nose. What do we use? A carrot. It's long and pointy. Perfect for a snowman's nose. Don't forget the eyes. We place 2 stones above the nose. Now our snowman can see. Our snowman needs a smile. Let's use small stones to make a happy face. We place them in a curve under the carrot nose. The weather is really cold. Let's keep our snowman warm. We'll wrap a colorful scarf around its neck. And guess what? We can even put mittens on the stick arms to keep his hands warm. Let's dress up our snowman with some colorful buttons. We place them on his belly in a line. Now let's give him a nice hat to keep his head warm. Wow! Look at our amazing snowman!
Wow!
We use snowballs, sticks, a carrot, stones, buttons, a scarf, hat, and mittens. You can use these too or try other fun items. Thanks for joining me on this snowy adventure. You're all amazing snowman builders. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.